即马英国的国王是查尔斯三世，伊上任了后，英国抑阁有大英国协的成员，拢已经开始在改变人格的设计。这嘛是英国70年来头一届改变人格的设计图。图内底包括英国原生的动物食物，嘛正注重环保议题。
新的各种人格啊，一边是英皇查尔斯三世头像，另外一边是英国当地花草动物的图。即马新的君主定基，英国最近展出新的人格的外观，由皇家做白厂制作，过来流通的所有人格啊，会拢换新的。
For the first time, a change in 70 years of these designs being the changes on the tails of our 8 coins. So from the 1 pence through to the £2, new designs which really represent the natural habitat and also the passion for conservation.
环境保育是新设计主题，一英镑人格的蜜蜂的图，这就是英国的250多种的蜜蜂。伫一便士甲2便士的人格顶悬，因的是真菌素甲红碰齿，因拢是英国原生物种。这几年数量减少，引起各界烦恼。食物图上亲像5便士，对应英国常常看到的像树叶啊。2英镑是用象征联合王国4个科学的花做代表。
So what we have here is a range of flora and fauna designs. And I think what you get with coinage designs is that they often reference the age in which they're from. Given the climate situation that we find ourselves in today, and given that Charles has spent most of his life dedicated to nature conservation, these flora and fauna designs are very fitting for this monarch and this era.
新的人格啊，今年底开始流通。新版的塑胶钱流通时间是定伫明年中。除了换君主头像，并无改变设计。英国大英国协成员国也会慢慢淘汰应付前任君主伊丽莎白二世头像的人格甲钱，全面迎接新的时代。公司新闻杨干评价。